Are you staring at your calendar, seeing those holiday parties pop up, and thinking, what am I going to wear that isn't too trendy, too sparkly, or just plain uncomfortable? You deserve to walk into that room looking absolutely magnificent, sophisticated, and completely at ease. Welcome back to Senior Fashion Styles, the place where we prove that the best fashion is always timeless, not ageless. Today, we're solving the holiday dressing dilemma with 5 perfect party outfits for women over 50. Looks that are elegant, easy to put together, and chic without even trying. We've got everything from velvet jumpsuits to elevated tuxedo looks. So before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss a style tip built just for you. Let's get started. Outfit number 1, the effortless jumpsuit. Our first look focuses on an often overlooked hero of sophisticated dressing, the jumpsuit. For the mature woman, a jumpsuit offers an unparalleled blend of comfort and immediate glamour, eliminating the headache of coordinating separates while still delivering a sleek, unbroken line that elongates the silhouette beautifully. We are moving away from restrictive cuts and prioritising a wide leg or straight leg style crafted from a substantial flowing fabric like heavy crepe, silk velvet, or a deep piled corduroy. Choosing a rich jewel tone, think emerald green, sapphire blue, or a luxurious deep wine, instead of plain black adds instant festive cheer without relying on glitter. The key to making this piece feel elegant for a holiday party is ensuring the torso is well defined, perhaps with a self-tie fabric belt or a metallic leather belt cinched at the natural waist, which is essential for creating an intentional shape rather than a shapeless drape. The reason this look works so wonderfully for women over 50 is its inherent simplicity, which lends itself perfectly to refined accessorizing. Since the jumpsuit itself is the main statement, you can keep jewellery minimal yet impactful. Consider a pair of stunning chandelier earrings or a bold cuff bracelet, but generally avoid a busy necklace that might compete with the neckline. Furthermore, the single-piece garment is incredibly forgiving and functional. It allows for unrestricted movement, which is critical for those long evenings spent mingling and dancing. Pair this outfit with a supportive block heel or an elegant pointed flat to maintain comfort, and throw a short, tailored faux fur bolero or a structured shawl over your shoulders for a touch of warmth and luxury upon arrival, completing a polished ensemble that is truly effortless. To ensure the jumpsuit feels fully appropriate for a formal holiday event, pay close attention to the finishing details. The wide leg style is particularly important because it creates beautiful, fluid movement as you walk, mimicking the grace of a gown while maintaining the contemporary edge of trousers. If the jumpsuit has sleeves, ensure they are tailored and fitted through the shoulder, or if it is sleeveless, use the aforementioned jacket or wrap to cover the shoulders for a more demure look. Finally, the sophisticated finish requires immaculate pressing, no wrinkles allowed, and a seamless undergarment choice to maintain that smooth, clean line from shoulder to floor. This single garment proves that you don't need a dress to be the most elegant woman in the room. Sometimes the simplest structure makes the biggest, most refined impact. Outfit number 2, the skirt and statement sweater. Our second outfit embraces the concept of high-low dressing, pairing an unexpected element, the cozy knit, with an inherently celebratory piece, the statement skirt. This is a brilliant strategy for the mature woman because it balances warmth and comfort with outright festive glamour, achieving that elegant look without any fuss. The foundation of this look is a midi-length skirt, hitting anywhere from the knee to the mid-calf, crafted from a shimmery, textured or metallic fabric, such as a delicate silver or gold pleat, a sequined fabric, or a heavy satin jacquard. This celebratory skirt brings the party element, offering beautiful light reflection and movement that immediately catches the eye, creating a truly festive bottom half. The key to keeping this look sophisticated and avoiding a flashy appearance lies in the top you choose. Instead of pairing the skirt with a traditional blouse, we opt for a fine gauge knit sweater. This sweater should be made of a luxurious tactile fibre like pure cashmere, soft merino wool, or a beautiful silk blend. Selecting a sweater in a neutral tone like cream, taupe, camel, or classic black provides a grounded contrast to the skirt's shimmer, allowing the texture of the knit to provide richness without competing with the sparkle. The neckline is crucial here. A beautifully draped cowl neck, a classic turtleneck, or a simple, elegant crew neck works best, drawing attention up toward the face while keeping the look tailored and refined. The gentle juxtaposition of the cosy knit against the dazzling skirt is what makes this ensemble feel effortlessly chic. This combination is perfect for the woman over 50 because it offers complete modesty and customizable coverage without sacrificing style, addressing concerns about arm coverage or feeling chilly. Furthermore, the fullness of the skirt, especially if pleated, balances beautifully with the soft drape of the sweater, creating a flattering proportion that skims the body rather than clinging to it. Accessorizing is minimal. Consider subtle stud earrings and perhaps a beautiful cuff bracelet, ensuring the focus remains on the interplay between the two main garments. Finished with high-heeled boots, refined pumps, or even elegant velvet flats, this look is proof that you can be completely comfortable and warm while maintaining a dazzling, high-impact presence at any holiday event, perfectly embodying the spirit of understated luxury. Outfit number 3, the tuxedo blazer look. Our third outfit is a masterclass in borrowed from the boys' sophistication, the elevated tuxedo or sharp blazer look. This ensemble is the ultimate way to achieve high-impact glamour and authority while staying completely covered and comfortable, making it an incredibly empowering choice for the mature woman attending any holiday gathering. The core of this outfit starts with the foundation. Impeccably tailored trousers, preferably in black, cut in a flattering cigarette style or a sleek wide leg drape. The true star, however, is the statement blazer. For holiday appeal, ditch the standard black wool and opt for a jacket made of luxurious velvet in a rich colour like deep forest green, vibrant crimson, or classic midnight navy, often featuring satin lapels for that signature tuxedo polish. What elevates this trouser suit beyond office wear and into true party territory is the carefully chosen inner layer and the deliberate styling choices. Instead of a stiff button-down shirt, select a delicate silk or satin camisole, a finely detailed lace-edged shell, or a beautifully draped jewel-toned blouse to wear underneath. This soft, feminine texture provides a striking contrast to the structure of the velvet blazer, adding an essential layer of sensual elegance. Crucially, the styling involves intentionally pushing the blazer sleeves up, slightly past the wrist, or using a soft cuff, revealing a hint of the inner lining and the wrist, which instantly creates a more relaxed, confident, and contemporary silhouette. A small trick that makes a huge difference in avoiding a corporate feel. This look resonates deeply with the over 50 demographic because it offers unparalleled structure and coverage, flattering virtually every body type while exuding professionalism and confidence. The crisp lines of the tailoring are inherently slimming and polished, and the rich velvet fabric elevates the entire outfit to black tie status without requiring a skirt or dress. Accessorize strategically. The focus should be on the lapel, perhaps with a stunning vintage brooch pinned artfully, and maybe a subtle drop earring. Finish the look with high shine pointed pumps or elegant loafers, and a structured clutch bag. This tuxedo aesthetic proves that true elegance lies in sharp tailoring and luxurious textures, allowing the wearer to command the room with sleek, effortless power. Outfit number 4. The chic LBD upgrade. Outfit number 4 focuses on a piece every woman already owns, the little black dress, but this time we are giving it a sophisticated over 50 upgrade that relies entirely on fabric and accessories. The power of the LBD is its versatility and the clean slate it provides, which, when chosen correctly, becomes the perfect canvas for holiday opulence. For this iteration, select a dress in a high-quality matte fabric like heavy crepe, ponte knit, or a structured wool blend. The cut should be classic and forgiving. An A-line, a shift dress, or a tailored sheath that hits modestly at or just below the knee is ideal, prioritizing impeccable fit and a smooth, unwrinkled drape that skims the body. The goal is a dress that whispers expensive through its tailoring, not its embellishments. The upgrade to this classic piece centres entirely on statement accessorizing, which is where you inject the holiday glamour. Since the dress itself is intentionally subdued, you have the freedom to be bold with your jewellery, creating a focal point that instantly transforms the look from everyday to extraordinary. The essential piece here is a spectacular necklace. Think multi-strand pearls, a vintage rhinestone collar, or a bold, colourful gemstone statement necklace that rests beautifully against the neckline of the dress. Alternatively, if you prefer a cleaner neck, opt for show-stopping earrings and a dramatic oversized cuff bracelet, ensuring the focus remains on polished, celebratory details rather than the dress itself. This approach is highly effective for the mature woman because it uses reliable, comfortable shapes and strategically places the sparkle and interest near the face and hands, drawing attention exactly where you want it. It also allows you to recycle a beloved black dress while keeping the look fresh and seasonal year after year simply by changing the accessories. To finish the ensemble, choose classic pumps, dressy slingbacks, or embellished flats, and carry a small decorative clutch bag, perhaps one covered in sequins or metallic beads, to hold your essentials. The chic LBD upgrade proves that true holiday elegance is less about buying new, trendy garments and more about mastering the art of the perfect, impactful finishing touch. Outfit number 5, the elegant separation. Our final outfit is the ultimate solution for those who want a formal, high-impact look that combines the polished feel of a gown with the comfort and versatility of separates, the elegant separation. This ensemble expertly pairs a fluid, wide-leg dress trouser with a spectacular, celebratory top that creates the visual illusion of a cohesive evening look. The key to making this work is ensuring both pieces harmonise in texture and drape. Start with the trousers. These must be impeccably tailored. Wide leg trousers in a fabric with a beautiful flow, such as silk crepe, velvet, or a heavyweight satin, typically in a classic black, deep charcoal or winter white. The width and weight of the pant are crucial as they provide the foundation that mimics the sweep of a floor-length skirt. The real holiday magic comes in the choice of the top, which should be the undisputed focal point of the outfit. Select a tunic-length top or blouse that extends past the hip, made entirely of sequins, delicate beadwork, metallic thread, or embroidered lace. The longer length of the tunic is highly flattering for the mature silhouette, ensuring coverage over the midsection while maintaining a long, clean line against the wide leg trousers. The top should have a soft, relaxed drape, allowing the glittering fabric to catch the light beautifully without clinging tightly to the body. Opting for a top with sophisticated sleeves, such as 3/4 length or a soft bell shape, adds to the garment's refined evening appeal. This sophisticated separation is a fantastic choice for the woman over 50 because it offers superior comfort and structure compared to a single-piece dress, allowing for easy mixing and matching of sizes and accommodating movement effortlessly. The contrast between the smooth, grounding fabric of the wide pants and the sparkling texture of the top creates a dynamic and modern look that is utterly chic. Finish the look with a heel that complements the length of the trousers. You want the pant hem to hover just above the floor, fully covering the shoe, and carry a small, richly textured velvet clutch. This outfit is the epitome of relaxed luxury, proving that when separates are chosen with care and complementary textures, they can easily surpass the formality and elegance of a dress. So there you have it. 5 fail-safe ways to look and feel absolutely stunning this holiday season without the fuss, the discomfort, or the feeling that you're trying too hard. Whether you choose the effortless elegance of the velvet jumpsuit, the comfortable sparkle of the statement sweater, the commanding power of the tuxedo blazer, the timeless chic of the LBD upgrade, or the sophisticated flow of the elegant separation, each look guarantees you walk in with confidence and grace. Remember, style is about knowing yourself and choosing clothes that make you feel magnificent. Which of these 5 outfits resonated most with your personal style and your holiday calendar? Let me know which one you're planning to wear first by leaving a comment below if you enjoyed these tips and want even more inspiration for accessorizing these holiday looks. Thank you so much for watching Senior Fashion Styles, and we'll see you in the next video.